Shoo! Oh, sorry, I got a cold. Shoo!
Oh no!
Shoo! Sorry, I have a bad cold. Are you okay? No, it's cool.
Oh yeah.
Shoo!
Doing?
Hey, calm down, language. Chill. I just have a cold. It's not that deep. Just have a bit of a cold.
Bro, this guy just
I just got a cold. Bro, look, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, bro. Here you. Shoo!
Oh my gosh, was that you?
Oh, sorry.
That's disgusting. What are you doing?
I got a bad nose. I got a bad
No,
nose.
that's absolutely vile.
No, I'm sorry, man.
If you don't go away, I will call the authorities.
No, I'm sorry.
No.
Man. I'm sorry,
No,
bro.
get off. Get off.
Shoo!
It's not acceptable anymore.
Huh? No, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I have a bad nose. Shoo!
Yo!
Bro, walk on.
Yo!
Yeah, I just have
hit my hair, bro!
I just have a cold, man.
Yo!
Bro, my bad, bro.
No.
Bro, my bad. I'm sorry.
No, but that.
Shoo!
Black.
Oh.
Yo, you want dead?
Hey, yo, chill, man. Put the thing down. Put the thing down. Yo, bro, put the thing down, my
Who
guy.
yas this man, Benji?
Huh?
Who yas this man,
Bro,
Benji?
put the thing down, my guy.
Who yas this man, Benji?
I got a cold. I got a cold, my
No,
guy.
easy yourself. Wala na second. Let him just sleep calm. No. We need to pan that down. We need to pan none of that.
Oh, man,
We
chill.
need to pan none of that.
Look, bro, come. It's cool. Shoo!
You sneeze.
Yeah, bro, sorry about that. I got a cold.
What are you trying to give me?
Bro, I got a cold. My bad. I apologize, man.
Oh,
Here.
you don't like it when I sneeze on you?
No.
Hush you.
Shoo! Huh?
What the hell, man?
No, I got a cold.
What do you mean you got a cold?
Bro, I just, bad nose. Sorry, man.
Bro, sort it out. What are you doing?
Bro, I feel like you're shouting a bit too much in my direction right now. Like, chill.
Bro, look, this is nasty. Nah, man, what?
Bro, you're shouting a bit too much in my direction, my guy.
Oh, no, sort it out, man.
You're
No.
good. You're good, bro.
Get out
Have a
of
good
here.
one. Yeah, just do your thing, man.